Hello, 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 and welcome back to Cass Loves Tech, and welcome back to the Legal Tech Mastery Series. As you might already know, in this series, we will be focusing on how to navigate law firm efficiency utilizing Lawcus. And in this part, we are going to cover some more concepts that Attorney Anderson requested that I give her more insight on. Some of those concepts is going to consist of text messaging, the client portal, sending emails via Lawcus, and visibility to members within the organization that has access to Lawcus. If you haven't had a chance to check out the first part of the series, definitely feel free to do so. The link is provided above for you to do that. And now we are just going to go ahead and jump into the video. Please feel free to leave any comments or suggestions or questions below. And I have also provided the link handy again so that if you want to go ahead and book a 15-minute consult to meet with me to discuss some of the pain points of your system, feel free to do so in the link in the bio below. All right, let's go ahead and kick it off.
Second question. Now I know how to do the text message. I have to set it up as a reminder. I can't just generate a text message to a client. I have to do it only via reminders. Is that the only way to do the text?
You can also do it through automation, through intake form. Intake form, but through workflow. Sorry. So like when you're building out the workflow. So if we go back to the workflow that we were just working on, you can add that
to let them know, hey, we just completed your intake form. Like I can schedule that to send as a text as well as an email to the person. So perfect. I'll do that. So I understood you to say that text messages go out either workflow or event reminders, not as just a communication to the client, but perfect.
That you can do through the client portal.
So my one question is that is perplexing me is under matters. For instance, let's say I wanted to, I'm in this matter and I kind of copy paste some notes from Dubsado to try to, oh, okay, so this is how I can add the data there because, you know, Dubsado keeps their stuff on blockage. What is this, Cassie Stephen?
This is what I was just telling you about your secure communication. So if you go to secure communication, that's going to be your client portal. So you can send messages securely to anybody, really. So
this inbox is your secured information, not the client's actual inbox with emails.
No, you see right there where it says secure messages?
Tell me what it looks. Tell me
right below you. So below you. So you have email, you have text message, and you have secure messages. Because you have the ability to two-way message here. Like, so you can send a secure, sorry, let me slow down. Let me slow down for a minute. So secure message is to communicate through the client portal with the client, right? And for particular this matter, if you shared this matter with the client, which you didn't because they would be there under members, right now it's just you would have that ability to be able to send communication securely to that client through the client portal.
And they would get some type of alert that says you have a secured message, come click here to view it, and they would log in and they would see my message.
Yes.
And then
the standard Lawcus package does not include text messaging. You have to reach out to them and do an add-on. Like they have a specific add-on that they sell you. I think it's $20 or something like that, that gives you that texting component. So that's why you see texting there. But typically you don't have it. So it's not like you can just go out and send a message. Like it's a process. They give you a number. It's a whole thing.
Email, how does that work?
So email, like if you were to send an email to like any email that you want to send to that person, they would come up under here. But is your email synced?
Yes. I don't know what I can send myself one and we can, you know, I'm in here as a client, so we can do that. Let me find, I don't have a matter. Hold on. I'm in here 3 times. Okay, cool. That's my personal. So that's perfect. So it's not related to my firm. So what should I do?
We want to go to add matter.
Oh, I have to have a matter. Okay, cool. This is test. Let's create.
All right. So if we go to send message at the bottom,
Send an email.
yeah, sorry, send email.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and then let's just do a test email and then put something whatever you want in the body and then just hit send. That's going to show up for you here. Now, when it comes to in here, if you go to sent at the bottom, you can see that you sent it here. So anything that you send through Lawcus, you'll be able to see them here. The communications through Lawcus.
And any replies, will it show up here?
Yeah. Yes. I have replies in here too. Mm-hmm.
Okay. And so if
So
the client replies to me, it's going to come in here and then
under you instead of under sent. Mm-hmm.
And my entire team will see it.
If you have them added as,
so
you see where it says members.
Oh, gotcha. Girl, this is some build out for your ass. Okay.
Yeah.
So anytime a matter is created, I can have the system and my workflow automatically add all members, so then I don't have to manually do that, correct? She's like, yes, Nicole, all of this is possible. You're just underutilizing your software. Okay, so then my next thing is, it just triggered this, is if I actually wanted to actually embed my engagement letter for them people to sign, where would that go?
Yes, for that, you would need to go to automations and then go to e-sign template. And you would need to add in the PDF as a template under the, new, and then you would add it. And once you have it here, let me show you something, because no, keep going. Oh, damn, we can't share at the same time. Okay, couple of things to note. If you have a template already that you utilize for this piece here, like what you will want.
I was just testing to see.
Go ahead, yeah, let's do it.
I guess oh Lord have mercy. It didn't download. Oh, maybe it did. Let's just use one of my other clients. Okay, we'll use hers. Okay.
Did you add something?
Yes, ma'am.
You want to title the template? So whatever the retainer agreement is, you want to title it at the top. That's the document name. But you want to title the actual template too. Oh, what just happened there?
Hey, don't worry. Okay.
And then you put the name of the document. So if it's an engagement letter, retainer, or whatever.
Okay.
And then this is the message that they would get.
Mm-hmm.
You typically have 2 signers. Okay, so then you would have signer 1, and then you would call it signer 1 or client. You could call this whatever you want this to be. Yep. And then whatever you want this part to be. So if you want it to be the firm, yeah. And then signing order is always important. If you want this to automatically CC people, you want to make sure that you add the CC role here.
Meaning?
To ensure that when this agreement goes out, whoever CC gets a copy of it, of the email.
Okay. Prepare. What is merge tags?
Merge tags are just the tags that you want to come over from the document.
Meaning I can add them here?
Yeah, you can add the merge tags down here and they will come, like yeah.
Okay. I guess I want it, and then it'd be at the end of the document name.
Yeah, it's gonna be down here. It's not gonna go up to the top. The merge tag, I wish that we could both share at the same time so I could show you.
I can stop.
No, I don't want you to. I didn't want you to stop only because you started working on the form.
I still have it up. I just stopped the share.
Okay. Let me show you this. Hold on. Damn, this one's already created, so it's not gonna let me do it.
Of course.
Yep, this one's already created, so it's not doing anything. But the tags are just the tags that are gonna show up inside of the form. So they're gonna merge together. So they're just, I'm not making any sense the way that I'm saying it. I'm sorry.
You're good. I'm just gonna go ahead and go back and share, and I'll play around with it a little later. But Lawcus is one of those I'm learning. It's very they name stuff and it's not very intuitive to what it actually does.
So during the consultation, my words were escaping me, and for the life of me, I struggled with being able to articulate exactly how merge tags assist law firms when it comes to e-signing templates. So all it does is it allows the sender to incorporate specific tags that they can then later use inside of the document. Let me just quickly show you what that looks like. And merge tags, I'm gonna put in the date. I'm gonna put in the username, the matter name, matter description. This also pulls in any custom fields that you create. So if you created a custom field, or like whether it's a if you created a matter custom field, you have the ability to insert those fields as well. So I'm gonna do this, and then I will say prepare. Now, when you get into this particular panel, what you're gonna have to make sure that you do if you want to utilize those tags that you created. So to get in the information in these spaces up here, you'll want to change it to sender, and once you change it to sender, it'll bring up this text box, and all you need to do is drag over the text box like you dragged over the other fields, and the first thing that comes up is the date. But if that's not the text, all you need to do is click on the drop down, and all the tags that you pulled over will come up. And then we're gonna have the matter name there, and then we're gonna save it. And that's what it means when you're using the merge fields. So feel free to use it, test it out, see how it works for you. And I'm gonna take it back into the video now. But this is beautiful because it's easy. The way that you map the fields is like not hard at all.
Oh, I see here.
Yeah.
Okay, I see. So then, okay. All right. So if I want them to initial here. Okay, this is sort of like my sign now. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
All
right.
And then this is where the client will go, and then I just label it. Okay, cool. And then this is the entire document itself. This is the fields. Okay, cool. Can you add IP address where they sign?
I don't think so.
That's
No.
okay. That's okay.
That's really cool.
All right, cool. So then add a field that is not a date. Why won't it let me keep going?
Where are we? What
it says? Add a field that is not a date. I was just trying to save it. Oh, maybe because I didn't add an actual signature field.
Signature form anywhere on there.
All right. Perfect.
And then
got it.
Well, you got to go back because you changed it to you changed it already. So you just have to add another one and then change it to yourself. Because right now,
Oh, wait, so, that's both of that. Okay.
Yep.
Got it. And then say, so that's how I would do that. Cool. And then I can build this into the workflow to send it out to the client and send the thing. All right, cool.
All right, legal masterminds, that pretty much sums up this particular video. I hope that you found this video to be helpful. Definitely feel free to leave any comments below if you have any questions or need clarification on anything that I've covered in this video. There is one more video to this module that will be released next week, so definitely stay tuned for that. As I've mentioned already before, please feel free to click the link in the bio and schedule time with me if you have a specific question that you would rather ask me one-on-one as opposed to leaving something in the comment. If you haven't done so already, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and that way we can keep you informed on other videos that are scheduled to be released. Alrighty, until the next video, have an amazing day and continue thriving with your systems.